Friday, 4th grade. I'm really excited about today's math. Today we're going to continue our work with measuring angles and identifying angles. I have a little review for identifying angles for you to do first. There's 4 questions that shouldn't take too long. And then our really fun activity is going to be back in the app Pattern Shapes. If you want to just join me in Pattern Shapes, I'm going to walk you through what we're going to do today. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to build a zoo animal with our pattern blocks. And you can get some inspiration. I'll post some different templates on our ClassKick page, but you can also just Google zoo animals and pattern blocks and you'll get lots of ideas. So today I am going to build a penguin, hopefully, using these pattern blocks. And I am going to turn these blocks. And I think once you get kind of close, they snap in, which is pretty cool. Like they snap in together. And then we're going to give him some flippers and some feet. All right, let's see if Miss Kofer can get this finished here. All right, so for his feet, they will go down here. And then I'm going to show you this really cool tool on pattern blocks, pattern shapes, sorry. It is a protractor. And we can measure some of the shape, some of the angles on my penguin here. Okay, so here's my penguin. Isn't he beautiful? And then you're going to click on this little arrow down here. You can see it's turning green when I click on it. Now, this is a full circle protractor. It goes all the way around to the 360 degrees. So usually the protractors we've been using on ClassKick are 180, half of the circle. So just kind of keep that in mind. But this is a really fun tool for us to use. If I can figure out how to make it smooth here. Here we go. Okay, so remember, we're going to find the vertex of one angle, and I'm going to measure this angle right over here. And I put it right on the line here, and I measured it. So I'm going to go all the way over and measure this angle, and it tells me that it is 120. So I'm going to go ahead and write that on my penguin here, that this angle is 120. And then hopefully I can continue to measure my angles. I would like you to try to measure 3 angles. This one's so much easier than the one to use on ClassKick. So you can see right away that this is 30 degrees. So then I'm just going to go back to my tool and put, 30 degrees. I kind of forgot which one I measured now. Let's go back and check again. Okay, now I remember. All right, so go back and we'll write our 30 degrees on here. When you've measured some of your angles, you can go ahead and shut that off. And then what we're going to do is screenshot our design. And I think I'm going to kind of make it just so it's just the little guy and not all the pieces, right? And I'm going to save this to my photos. I'm doing this on my iPad. I can go back to ClassKick and I can put a picture of him here, but I also would like to put a picture of him on my Padlet wall so that everybody can see my penguin. All right, so remember how to do our Padlet wall. We want to click on our Padlet. And then do you see our pattern block animals right here? And Miss Kofer is going to be the first one to upload. So I'm going to hit the plus sign in the corner. And remember, we're going to upload, pick a file. We're going to pick it from, let's try that again. Sometimes these things happen. All right, we're going to try that again. Upload, pick a file for my photo library. Yeah, I'm going to pick my penguin. And then I can put my name on the top since it's my penguin. And then you can respond to other people's. And remember, you can kind of drag these around when you have more than one. They just start kind of moving around. So I'm really excited to see your animals that you're going to be creating. Have a great day.